sunshine.
We are. It's still breezy today, but the wind is not going to be nearly as strong as yesterday or even on Friday. So looking at our weather headlines for your work week, it is going to be breezy at times, but we will also have some mild temperatures. We'll have highs that'll be in the 50s and near 60 degrees. It's a mainly dry and quiet week. As we look at our current wind speed, it is out of the west to southwest about 5 to 15 miles per hour. So not overly strong for the moment, and our usual wind-prone locations, including Boston, the Cape, and the islands, have had gusts near 25 miles per hour. As we get into the afternoon, there's a disturbance that's passing by to our north, so I think this is going to kick up our wind. About 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts are possible. This is not the damaging wind range, but it's more of that nuisance if you are out and about. Now this evening, there will still be some gusty conditions, but the wind is going to come down a bit, not quite as strong as what we'll experience with our daytime warming and as that disturbance moves through this afternoon. Radar and satellite, we are quiet, enjoying a lot of sunshine, but clouds are knocking on our door. We look off to our north and west, cloud cover and some snow showers. What's going to happen today is as we get into the early afternoon, that's when we bring in the increasing cloud cover. It's going to move in from west to east, and as it does, I can't rule out the chance for a sprinkle, but most of us remain mainly dry. It's quick to get out of here as we get closer to sunset, which is now closer to 6:45. Then we'll have some clearing and we'll stay clear for a majority of the evening and early night hours. Temperatures, it's chilly out there, 33 in Boston. We have a lot of 30s on the board, but still 28 in Worcester. High temperatures today, I think we make it in a range of the mid-40s within Metro West, low to mid-40s North Shore to Merrimack Valley, and low 40s within Worcester County. Sprinkled in there near 40 and low 40s across Cape Cod and the islands, and some spots that tend to get a little bit more mild across far southeast Mass could squeeze out the upper 40s. We'll keep that wind out of the west to southwest. Now, overnight temperatures are falling into the 30s. We'll have a batch of clouds move on through, and it's still slightly breezy. Here's what's going to happen. A closer look with our future forecast. A disturbance moves by to our north, brings us some cloud cover. Any accumulating snow with this is going to be for the spine of the Green Mountains and into far northern New England, but I can't rule out some flurries for our northern regions and into southern New Hampshire. That continues to push off to the east. We'll have some clouds to start tomorrow morning, but we get to enjoy mostly sunshine as we go throughout the start of your work week. High temperatures are more mild in the 50s. I think a lot of us will be in the low to mid 50s within Metro West. Still some 40s holding on for Cape Cod and the islands, and that breeze will be out of the west to northwest. It will be noticeable tomorrow, but again, we're not talking about damaging wind potential for this week. I think what you are going to notice going forward over the next few days is at times that breeze is going to increase. We haven't hit 60 degrees yet in Boston. On average, our first 60 is early February on February 3rd, but come Tuesday, some of us have the opportunity of hitting that first 60s. So temperatures are going to increase then. A cold front is going to knock back temperatures Tuesday night into Wednesday into the upper 40s. But then look at this. We should be back in the 50s to end the work week and likely back in the 60s come next week. Best chance for any sprinkles are going to be on Thursday, about a 10 to 20% chance. I think our better opportunity at more widespread precipitation is going to come next Sunday late at night into Monday.